Katie, where are we going?
Hong Kong.
Okay guys, so here's another vlog here in Hong Kong. So we're here already kasi yung first New Year, it's with my family, and now it's with Marc's family with my parents. So yes. By the way, last night we just got engaged. I'm so happy and excited to share this with you guys. So ngayon, mag-vlog lang ako. I hope you enjoy this. Puro pang kids yung trip na to. So it's really for the kids, yung mga pamangkin ni Marc, Disneyland, Ocean Park. So I hope you enjoy! Wow, you like Ate Maia? What's that? Wi-Fi?
Yeah. Wi-Fi.
So we have a translator. Thank you, Prince.
What are you doing? My daddy.
Yes. He's part of F4. Why? What's wrong? On our way to Yum Cha. So, magdi-dim-sum kami for late lunch. It's so hot. As in, ang lamig ng hangin. Pero yung araw, oh my God, I can't. Sobrang init. Okay, so just checked in here in our room. So, i-tutor ko lang kayo saglit. So, I'm staying with my parents. This is the king bed. So, tignan natin kung papatabihin nila ako sa kanilang dalawa. Or doon ako papatulugin. So, abangan. Okay guys, so my mom is making me choose kung sa gitna daw ako or sa sofa. So, let's test it out. Wow, nice dimple. Kasya tayo? Okay lang ba?
Oo, diyan ka sa gitna.
I'm the baby. Kailangan baby ka pa rin namin kasi mag-aasawa ka na eh. Oh. So, after taking a nap, grabe, sobrang sarap ng tulog namin kasi sobrang napuyat kami. Kasi early flight, tapos dire-diretso na. So, yeah, we took a nap and then dinner.
Ba't napuyat?
Ano naman? Good morning! So for today, we're going to Disneyland. I already did my makeup, so I'm just waiting for my hair to dry. I will bring you guys all throughout my day, maraming kids, and I'm sure they will enjoy. McDo breakfast party! So I'm so happy kasi may nakita akong milk tea option. So hot milk tea for breakfast. And then the iced tea. Favorite to ni Marc kasi legit tea. Ninja pose! Wow!
To the Disneyland Resort. Right? Tell them where we're going.
We're going to Disneyland. We're here! Okay, so our group is very big. 9 kids and 13 adults. So, sobrang kagulo. As in, it's fun. So, yeah, medyo mahirap lang mag-picture-picture kasi ang dami mga bata na takbo dito, takbo doon. So, para kami, ah! So, yeah. Okay, so we're pretending and practicing that there's a baby inside. Okay, let's go, babe!
Oh. Oh, look at the baby. Ang cute. Look at the guide map, oh.
When the automatic doors have
We're gonna
opened,
watch
please proceed directly
Iron
across the ramp
Man.
into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every...
So what can you say about Iron Man ride?
Yeah, it was good. But I got scared when the robot did the...
Yeah.
I didn't be scared that the robot did it.
Yeah. In line for the Space Mountain!
Space Mountain.
So cute.
It's so cute! Filipino! Before, remember, there's a word mabuhay. Mabuhay. I'm so hungry. Do you want a mukbang video? Let me know. Wow! You also, Pio.
How's the food?
I love breakfast. Good morning. Hi, Pio.
Hi.
What are you eating? Corn. Good morning. So today, where are we going?
Ocean Park.
Yes, we're excited to see all the fish, the animals, and the wild rides.
I remember once when we went somewhere, it's like Ocean Park, and Tita said that there might be real mermaids there. I believed in mermaids before.
Yeah.
It was in Japan.
It's okay. In our dreams. Ngayon, nasa MTR lang kami. Ayan, nag-aantayan kasi maraming mga naka-strollers. So, yes! Mommy, show them your hair. She has nice hair now kasi pinlansya ko yan. Lagi ko kasi siyang inaasar na Alien versus Predator yung hair niya. Whip! Watch me, Nene. Watch me, Whip. Watch me, Nene.
We are going to the Ocean Park.
Yes! We're here already. Say hi, Kayla. How's your turtleneck?
Eto, bibili na ako ng t-shirt.
How are you, babe?
I'm great.
But it's hot.
You're hot.
You're so... Nakakasar! Guys, ganun yung mga nararanasan kong banat niya every single day. So, it's so annoying. You're so annoying. So yeah, grabe. Ang init talaga. As in, suffocate ako. Gusto ko na talagang bumili ng shirt. As in, gusto ko lang mag-fall ng konti. Anong mas gusto niyo? Disneyland or Ocean Park? Ako personally, kapag sa rides kasi, gusto ko syempre Ocean Park kasi mas mga wilder rides dito. Pero Disneyland kasi parang yun talaga yung magical for me eh. So, I can't choose. Medyo 50-50. So, both.
It's a shark! It's a shark, Lucas!
My baby's enjoying! Super marine lover siya. We're going to ride the mine train. It's the first ever roller coaster with VR experience. What? Are you excited?
I'm scared.
So they are big girls already.
Look.
The VR ride was so fun. It's so cool. As in, first time ever na mag-ride ako with the VR.
Guys, masakit yung lalamunan ko.
Galing ng technology, as in, nagawa nila yon. Sobrang realistic. Alam mo, feel namin yung bumagsak para kami. Ah! Can you say, without the VR, did you have fun?
Scary! It's very fun.
But you didn't cry!
Yay! I succeeded this time.
We are now in the raging river! Woo! You okay?
Yeah, we're going.
Are you okay?
Yes, yes. Wait,
Woo! Oh my gosh! Are you wet? Are you wet? Go, Maya! We just got back in the hotel. So after dinner, sobrang sarap ng food. It's like a Michelin star restaurant. So yes, although medyo mahal siya. So sabi nga ni Tito Jun na it's cheaper to eat in Gloria Maris. So yeah, hi mommy. Hi. We're so tired. Grabe, sobrang sakit ng legs ko. As in, alam mo yung feeling na mapuputol na siya. Ganong level. Ang sakit. I'm excited to sleep. I slept last night in the sofa. So, dito ulit ako. Mas comfy ako dito. So, yes. I'll update you guys tomorrow. It's our last day here. Good morning!
Morning, problem.
So it's our last day here in Hong Kong. We're going to Science Museum and then we're just gonna chill and relax just to get ready to go home. So yeah, by the way, I feel so sick.
Kaya ang lamig-lamig mo.
Hindi, kanina pagkagising ko as in ubo, sipon. So yeah, tas sobrang sakit ng throat ko. Ito so bad. This is so cool. Merong parang ayan o, yung magsasalita ka. So you have to follow the green line or the colors. So yeah, I'm here. Hi, babe! And Marc is over there. Babe, can you hear me? Shout! What are you saying? I love you too! Wow! He's so cheesy! Order na. And we're back here. I ordered already. So, ito talaga yung favorite wonton place namin na noodles. So, yeah, this is the family secret. So, syempre sinama namin dito yung family ni Marc. So, it's so yummy! What happened to Tito Marc's hair?
I don't know. It's because of him.
Okay, so we're already in the airport. So, dinner muna. I ordered Popeyes. And Mark is in line for McDo. So, yeah. As of now, I'm tired. Kinakabahan na ako sa work bukas. Kasi makakauwi ako mga 1 or 2 a.m. na. So, for sure, pagod ako. Wala na akong sleep. So, good luck to me and my meetings tomorrow.